Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if the sound from your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds shudders or is intermittent. At first, check whether your earbuds and phone and tablet versions are updated. Of course, the latest versions, of course, and if they are not, update both products. If they are, we have to go further. When using the earbuds, avoid obstructing the area around the phone camera to ensure smooth reception of signals. The Bluetooth module is right here, and when I had the Samsung earbuds when using the iPhone, I had these issues when I have covered the camera surroundings. So don't do that. Apart from that, you can disable the spatial audio in the application. You can check that out, of course, how to do so on our channel, and disable the dual connection. And yeah, just to have the less and the most, like the lesser the options are enabled, the better the connection is. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.